let their looks deceive you. They can, and likely will be, dangerous. What am I talking about? The cute, but not so delicate, honey badger. These 20-pound, 10-inch mammals are fierce and designed for battle. They have 1.5-inch claws that can puncture a car door, teeth that are strong enough to crush a tortoise's shell, skin that can survive a blow from a machete, arrows, and spears, and they can survive a bite from a venomous cobra snake. But that's not all. They have also been known to fight off much larger predators like lions.